Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to make a 1% hyaluronic acid. That's what I'll be making here. So to make this, I measured 98% of distilled water right into this little bowl you're seeing here, and also I measured 1% of my liquid Jamal Plus preservative. Now Jamal Plus preservative, you need to preserve this, and that's why I'm using it. And then water is very important to dissolve our hyaluronic acid. You guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. Click on that subscribe button. It is absolutely free to do that. So now I'm going to add in my hyaluronic acid powder into this, and I'm going to add 1 gram of hyaluronic acid. That's because I'm making a 1% hyaluronic acid liquid. Now if you are making a 0.5%, then you should use 0.5% hyaluronic acid. If you're making 0.2, you should do same. So I'm just going to measure this and make sure it is 1 gram. So I have 98% of distilled water, I have 1% of Jamal Plus preservative, and 1%, 1 gram rather, of my hyaluronic acid, which is going to give us a total of 100 grams, which is 100%. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm still trying to get 1 gram of my hyaluronic acid. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, on this channel I bring a lot of DIYs, skincare, beauty, everything that has to do with you looking beautiful and looking good. So please subscribe, click on that subscribe button, and also turn on your bell icon. Now after adding the hyaluronic acid, you can totally skip this very step. It is not necessary, except you want to do it, but like I said, it's not necessary. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and cover this up. I'm going to cover it, and I will set it in my refrigerator, because hyaluronic acid tends to get dissolved faster when you use cold water to dissolve it. Okay, but if you don't have a refrigerator, you can just keep it for like 3, 4, 5 hours. It's going to dissolve. Now this is my hyaluronic acid. It took less than 2 hours. I think it's about 1 hour for me to get this. You can see that everything is completely dissolved. Look at what I have here. So everything is completely dissolved. Now this has a lot of functions, it has a lot of benefits and a lot of uses. You can use this for your serums, your face creams, your body creams, your anything you want to use it for. Basically, you can actually use hyaluronic acid for it. Now hyaluronic acid is an anti-aging ingredient. It helps to keep the skin very plump and healthy. And transfer this into my 100 ml bottle. I'm going to always use this for anything I want to formulate at all. It's easier than for me to start dissolving hyaluronic acid anytime I want to formulate. So this is just a way of making things easy for myself. So that's basically it on how to make your liquid hyaluronic acid. Thank you so much for watching. Please share this video, like it, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. I'm going to see you in my next video.